This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Today's guest is Mike. He is with O'Brien Service Company, Wilmington's local heating and air specialist since 1981. Thanks for being here, Mike.
Thanks for having me. It's great to be here.
Today we're going to talk a little bit about O'Brien Service Company's maintenance program, the Energy Savings Club.
Yep, so at O'Brien Service Company, our top priority is keeping our customers comfortable year-round. Whether it be 32 degrees out or 100 degrees out, we want to keep you and your family comfortable. Your heating and air system runs almost every day of the year. Therefore, it should be taken care of and looked at on an annual basis. And that is why we offer the Energy Savings Club.
So what's included?
For our residential clients, they'll have a once-a-year check of the system, which will include a light cleaning. They'll also receive 20% discounts on repairs, a discounted diagnostic, and priority service, which can come handy in the extreme weathers of the year. For our commercial clients, we can actually build a Energy Savings Club specific to their needs.
And why is maintenance so important?
Maintenance is important to keep your system running properly year-round. It can also help save on energy and prevent unwanted breakdowns throughout the year.
Sounds like there's a lot of perks to being a member. So how can viewers who are interested in enrolling in the Energy Savings Club sign up?
They can give us a call at 799-6611, or they can visit our website at o'brienservice.com.
Thanks, Mike. So call or go online and enroll in the Energy Savings Club today.
For more details, go to HomePros on WECT.com.